Previous year question and answer solution of Stream Electronic Engineering, Semester 5, Subject Electric Machines, 2 MCQs. 1. For unity PF, armature MMF is A. Demagnetizing, B. Magnetizing, C. Cross-magnetizing, D. 0. Answer C. 2. Pitch factor is always A. Greater than 1, B. Less than 1, C. Equals 1, D. Negative. Answer B. 3. Winding factor Kw equals A. Kp times Kd, B. Kd times Xs, C. Kp divided by Kd, D. Kp plus Kd. Answer A. 4. Two alternators share load properly when A. Their droop characteristics match, B. Their poles match, C. Same rotor type, D. Same insulation. Answer A. 5. Reactive power sharing error leads to A. Circulating active current, B. Circulating reactive current, C. Increase in frequency, D. Increase in voltage. Answer B. 6. Power angle is angle between A. Voltage and current, B. E and V, C. Rotor and stator MMF, D. Both B and C. Answer D. 7. In salient pole machines, reluctance power is due to A. Ra, B. XL, C. XD minus XQ, D. Frequency. Answer C. 8. V curves shift upward when A. Load increases, B. Load decreases, C. Voltage increases, D. Frequency decreases. Answer A. 9. For parallel operation, alternators must have same A. Phase sequence, B. Voltage, C. Frequency, D. All of the above. Answer D. 10. Hunting in synchronous motor is A. Noise, B. Vibration due to sudden load changes, C. Overvoltage, D. Under frequency. Answer B. 11. Switched reluctance motor SRM operates on the principle of A. Lorentz force, B. Reluctance torque, C. Faraday's law, D. Eddy current braking. Answer B. 12. The rotor of a switched reluctance motor is A. Permanent magnet, B. Wound rotor, C. Salient pole laminated steel, D. Squirrel cage type. Answer C. 13. The torque in an SRM is produced when A. Current decreases, B. Inductance increases with rotor position, C. Voltage decreases, D. Flux becomes 0. Answer B. 14. Permanent magnet PM motors eliminate the need for A. Armature windings, B. Field windings, C. Stator laminations, D. Rotor bars. Answer B. 15. The main advantage of PM motors is A. High slip, B. High copper loss, C. High efficiency, D. Low torque. Answer C. 16. BLDC motor back EMF waveform is A. Sinusoidal, B. Square bitrapezoidal, C. Triangular, D. Zero. Answer B. 17. Commutation in BLDC motors is performed by A. Mechanical brush, B. Slip rings, C. Electronic inverter, D. Commutator segments. Answer C. 18. Speed of a BLDC motor is controlled by A. Field rheostat, B. Rotor resistance, C. Supply frequency and voltage, D. Mechanical brake. Answer C. 19. Hysteresis motor rotor material has A. High hysteresis loss, B. Low coercivity, C. Zero residual magnetism, D. No magnetization. Answer A. 20. A hysteresis motor starts as A. Synchronous motor, B. Induction motor, C. DC motor, D. PM motor. Answer B.